A brave man dies once, a coward 1,000 times. A man who never recognizes his mistakes will never know peace. If you always tell the truth, you may lose your friends. Tell your friend a lie. If he keeps it secret, then tell him the truth. If everybody likes you, you have a serious problem. If there is a problem that can be fixed with money, it is not a problem, it's the cost. Patience is the mother of a beautiful child. We start as fools and become wise through experience. Do not tell the man who is carrying you that he stinks. The longer the explanation, the bigger the lie. Flattery makes friends and truth makes enemies. Don't put your weapon away just because your enemy smiles. A house cannot be repaired when the owner is destroying it. When you are a threat, you are always the target. Those that attack your character fear you the most. The wise learn many things from their enemies. Only the self-sufficient stand alone. Most people follow the crowd and they imitate. If you damage the character of another, you damage your own. The measure of a man is what he does with power. Stay away from people who talk bad about people they still hang around. The lies are always loud, the truth is always quiet. If you refuse the elder's advice, you will walk the whole day. The wealth of a house is a wise woman. Half education is more dangerous than no education. When deeds speak, words are nothing. He is a fool whose sheep runs away twice. The person who says it cannot be done should not interrupt the person doing it. A friend is known when needed. Always leave a little room for a mistake. When you see only problems, you're not seeing clearly. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Those who waste time only hurt themselves. Threats and insults never rule a country. Confidence of success is almost success. An intelligent enemy is better than a stupid friend. A leader who does not take advice is not a leader. He who feeds you controls you. By getting angry, you show you are wrong. Brothers love each other when they are equally rich. Thought without practice is empty. Action without thought is blind. Self-doubt killed more dreams than failure ever will. Never forget who helped you in your hardest time. The pain of regret is far worse than the pain of discipline. We all are healing from something we don't talk about. Be patient and calm. No one can catch a fish with anger. The man may be the head of the home, but the wife is the heart. When what you hear and what you see don't match, trust your eyes.